This is the SO3H. It is the sulfonic acid group. It is the sulfonic acid group. It is sulfonic acid group. It is the benzene. It is the benzene. Benzene and sulfonic acids, both they can form benzene sulfonic acid. Here it is the SO3H. It is called as benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. It is also called as aromatic sulfonic acid. Aromatic sulfonic acid. As like this name itself indicate the benzene sulfonic acid, which contain benzene ring and sulfonic acid groups. It SO3, it is a functional groups, sulfonic acid, and is the benzene, it is aromatic compounds, and both they are combined together to form benzene sulfonic acid. It is called as benzene sulfonic acid. It is also called as aromatic sulfonic acid because benzene is the aromatic compound. That's why it is called as aromatic sulfonic acid. Here we have to study then preparation of the benzene sulfonic acid. We have to carry out the preparation of the benzene sulfonic acid. Here for the preparation of benzene sulfonic acid, we know that the benzene sulfonic acid are prepared by using the sulfuric acids. See here, it is the benzene. The benzene, it is reacted with the concentrated H2SO4, or it is also reacted with the SO3 in H2SO4. SO3 in H2SO4. Which H2SO4? Concentrated H2SO4, or it is called as direct sulfonation. It is called as direct sulfonation. It is called as direct sulfonation. And there is a formation of this compound called as SO3H. It is called as benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Here we can use the solvent. Which solvent we have to use here? It is the pyridine or nitromethane. It is a solvent we have used. Means benzene sulfonic acid are prepared by using the benzene plus concentrated sulfuric acid or SO3 in H2SO4. It is also called as oleum. Oleum means these reactions is called as direct sulfonation because we have to add sulfuric acid into the benzene rings. That's why it is this reaction is called as direct sulfonation. In these direct sulfonations, we have to add sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid to the benzene rings, or we have to add sulfur trioxide in H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. It is also called as oleum. Oleum. We can see the mechanism of formation of benzene sulfonic acids from benzene. We know that in every mechanism of the electrophilic substitution reactions, the first step is the step first? Always step first is the formation of electrophiles. Formation of electrophile. Here the electrophile formed as like this. Here in these reactions we can use in the reactions. We can use it here H2SO4. We can use the SO3 in H2SO4s. Means here we have to use the H2SO4 for the reaction of the formation of the benzene sulfonic acid from the benzene. We can take H2SO4 first. Here H2SO4 can be write as like this: OH, yes, double bond O, OH. It is the H2SO4. It is the lone pair of the H2SO4. Again, we can take second molecule of H2SO4. OH, yes, double bond O, yes, double bond O, OH. Then what happens here? This lone pair have 10 these protons, and here the bond between this oxygen and hydrogen are break, and there is a formation of the such type of compounds. OH, yes, double bond O, double bond O, O, here is the H, here is the H, and is the positive charge. Plus, what is remaining? O minus, yes, double bond O, double bond O, OH, means it is also called as, what is this? It is also called as HSO4 minus, HSO4 minus. Then what happens here? What is the lone pair present on these oxygen atoms? They can be transferred in these sites, and here the removal of water molecule can be take place. Minus H2O is removed here. Minus H2. What happens here? OH double bond, yes, positive charge. Here double bond O, double bond O, plus here you know that H2O. It is the electrophile. It is the electrophile. It is the electrophiles. In the step first is the, we know that it is the formation of the electrophile. Here electrophile is formed here. Then we can go to the step second. What is the step second? Always step second is the attack of electrophiles. Attack of electrophiles. See here, this is the benzene rings. In this benzene rings, electrophiles can be attacked as like this here. Yes, double bond O, here double bond OH, positive charge, and here is the double bond O. What happens here? Electrophile are here, attack of this pi electron on the electrophile can be take place, and here the bond between sulfur and oxygen are break, and here the lone pair of oxygen which can be regained during the reactions, and this is the product form. Here is the positive charge, here is the hydrogen, yes, double bond O, double bond O, and here is the OH. Lone pair of the oxygen is regained. This is double bond, this is double bond, and this is formation of the carbonium ion. It is called as carbonium ion. Carbonium ion, and here this carbonium ion can be stabilized by using the resonance structure. Here it can be moved here by electrons, and here the positive charge can be transferred here. Again double bond here, double bond here, and hydrogen, and here I can write SO3H. In short way I can write SO3H. Then this pi electron can be transferred here, and the positive charge can be resonance stabilizer. Hit double bond here, double bond here, the positive charge is here. Here is the H, here is the SO3H. All these are the resonance structure. All these are the resonance structure. Resonance structure of carbonium ion. Resonance structure of the carbonium ion. Here positive charge can be stabilizer. Then what happens in the next step, in the last steps? Here in the last step what happens? Here in the last step, in the step third, formation of the product. Formation of the product. Here in the last step what happens? Here it is the our intermediate H, and here SO3H is the positive charge. Here whatever may be the HSO4 here which can be removed in the step first, they can be utilized here. HSO4 minus, they can abstract these protons, and there is a formation of the again SO3H. What is this compound? Benzene sulfonic acid, plus H2SO4 plus H2SO4. This is about the mechanism of the formation of the benzene sulfonic acid from benzene. Here I am repeating once again. See here, it is the H2SO4, which can be written as like this. Here lone pair of oxygen atom can attract these protons, and there is a formation of these compounds, and bond between the hydrogen and oxygen are break, and there is a formation of negative charge. There is a formation of the HSO4 minus, and this is the intermediate forms. These intermediates can be break down by using the internal rearrangement of these intermediates, and minus water molecule is eliminated, and there is a formation of the electrophiles. It is the electrophiles. These electrophiles here attack on the benzene rings, and there is a formation of the intermediates. Which intermediates? Carbonium ion intermediates. And here this positive charge, which can be stabilized by the resonance. And here third step is the formation of the product. In the third step, what happens? This is the intermediate. In this intermediate, HSO4 minus, which can abstract these protons from the carbonium ion, and there is a formation of H2SO4 and benzene sulfonic acid. It is the overall mechanism for the formation of the benzene sulfonic acids. You see here all mechanisms, and this is for your write down all the mechanism. I request all the students, please write down the mechanism of each step, because you have to must know understand it. Please write down. Pause करून write down करा. You have to also write down by pause. I can take next point. Pause करिए और लिखिए. व्हिडिओ जर खूप स्लो वाटत असेल तर प्लेबॅक स्पीडमध्ये जाऊन त्याची स्पीड वाढवू शकता, किंवा फास्ट वाटत असेल तर प्लेबॅक स्पीडमध्ये जाऊन त्याची स्पीड कमी करू शकता. तुमच्या मनावर आहे काय करायचं ते. Next, I can go to the next point. We can write down here the chemical reactions of the benzene sulfonic acid. Here, chemical reaction of the benzene sulfonic acid. First reaction is the salt formation. Here we can write down the first reactions. In the first reactions, we can see all the reactions which are found by the benzene sulfonic acid. It is the SO3H. It is the benzene sulfonic acid. Here in the benzene sulfonic acids, we can take the benzene sulfonic acid as like this. Here, what is this? It is the SO3H. It is called as benzene sulfonic acid or aromatic sulfonic acid plus NaOH. It is the acid, it is a base, and there is a formation of the salt and water. Here SO3 minus and Na plus water. It is a salt. There is a formation of the salt. What is the name of this compound of the salt? Sulfonate. It is also called as sulfonate. Benzene sulfonic acid. Here we can see the chemical reactions of the benzene sulfonic acids. In the chemical reactions, we can take the benzene sulfonic acid, which is reacted with the aqueous NaOH, and there is a formation of the sulfonate plus water. That is, the acid and base reacts to form salt and water. That is the first reaction is the salt formations. This is the first reaction of the benzene sulfonic acid is the salt formation reactions. Then we can also write down the explanation of the reaction also. When benzene sulfonic acid is reacted with the aqueous NaOH, there is a formation of the sulfonate. Simple reaction or salt formation take place. Then we can go to the next reactions, formation of the sulfonyl chlorides. Formation of the sulfonyl chlorides. Here we can take the reaction of the formation of sulfonyl chlorides. See here, it is the benzene sulfonic acid, SO2OH, SO2OH. Here this SO3H, it can be also write as SO2OH. We can write down in both way. We can write down anyway. SO2H plus phosphorus, chlorine, and here there are many chlorine atoms, Cl, 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 and Cl. What happens here? See, here the HCl is removed here. HCl is removed here. Then what is the remaining? POCl3. POCl3. What is the remaining? SO2Cl. This Cl is SO2. It is called as benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chlorides. It is called as benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chlorides. In order to know how reaction can be happen, as I am written as like this. This is the sulfonyl. It is the benzene sulfonic acid. It is the phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. It is the phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. This can be reacted, and there is formation of HCl here, POCl3 here, and this here, and SO2. That is the benzene sulfonyl chloride is formed. Then next reaction is the ester formation. In the ester formation, we can take again as like SO2OH, SO2OH, benzene sulfonic acids. It is reacted with the HOC2H5O. It is the ethanol. It is the ethanol. It is the ethanol. What happens here? There is a formation of the ester, SO2 and here plus H2O plus H2O, SO2O C2H5O. Here it is the ethyl benzene and sulfonate, NAT, ethyl benzene sulfonate, means the esters are formed. Esters are formed. It is the benzene sulfonic acid. It is reacted with the ethanol, and there is a formation of the ethyl benzene sulfonate, and here water is removed. It is the third reaction, ester formation. First reaction is the salt formation. Second reaction is the formation of benzene sulfonyl chlorides, and third reaction is the formation of the ethyl benzene sulfonate. There are three reactions. Write down you all these. Pause करून write down करा. Then we can go to the next reactions. Next reaction is the formation of amide. Formation of the amides. How to form the amide? Here we can take the new molecules. Here it is the SO2Cl, benzene sulfonyl chloride. It is called as benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is reacted with the ammonia, HNH2. It is the ammonia, and there is a formation of which type of compound? It is called as amide is formed, SO2 NH2, and here what is the remaining remove here, plus HCl is removed. It is called as sulfonamide. Sulfonamide. Which sulfonamide? Benzene sulfonamides. Benzene sulfonamide. Name of the compound is the benzene sulfonamide. How it is formed? When benzene sulfonyl chloride is reacted with the ammonia, and there is a formation of the benzene sulfonamide, CO2NH2. CO2NH2. This is the simple reactions. Then next is the formation of phenol. We have to form the phenol. By using the benzene sulfonyl. Sodium benzene sulfonate, Na, SO3 minus Na plus. It is reacted with the excess NaOH, and there is a formation of the, again here, OH, phenols, plus what is remaining? Na2SO3. Na2SO3 is the product. The phenol is formed here, The phenol, sodium benzene sulfonate, is reacted with the excess NaOH, which can be fused by using heating. There is a formation of the phenols. Then next chemical reactions is the formation of benzonitriles. You have to again take the next reactions. This is the SO3 Na, benzene, sodium benzene sulfonate is again reacted with the NaCN, heat, fuse with the NaCN, and what happens again there? There is a formation of the which compounds? We know that SO cyanide. This is a formation of the benzonitrile plus Na2SO3. It is the benzonitrile. Benzonitrile is formed. Here it is the sodium benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate. It is heated in. It is fused with the sodium cyanide. There is a formation of the benzonitrile plus Na2SO3. Again, next reaction is the formation of the benzene. Here SO3H. It is the benzene sulfonic acid. It is reacted with the water. In acidic solutions, they are heated, and there is a formation of the benzene only. There is a formation of H2SO4. Benzene. It is the benzene. Here benzene sulfonic acid is heated, acidic conditions, in presence of water. There is a formation of the benzene. Here the SO3 group is removed here. That's why this reaction is also called as desulfonation reactions. Because here SO3 group is removed here. That's why it is called as desulfonation reactions. Then last reaction of this chemical reactions is the formation of anilines. Here it is a very simple reaction. See here. Again we can take this compound. It is called as SO3Na, benzene sodium benzene sulfonate. It is reacted with the NaNH2. NaNH2 is the sodamide, and there is a formation of the again aniline, NH2 plus Na2SO3. It is the aniline. Aniline is formed here. Formation of anilines means this is the benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate is reacted with the NaNH2. There is a formation of the aniline plus Na2CO3. All these are the chemical property of the benzene sulfonic acid.